You're lying in bed at 2 a.m. A thought hits you. It's a nudge to quit your job, to reach out to that person you haven't talked to in years, or maybe to finally take that leap of faith you've been terrified of. But then, the doubt creeps in. Is this God, or is this just my own desire? My own anxiety? My own ego? Today, we're going to silence the noise. I'm giving you a 3-part biblical filter to help you stop the guessing game and start moving with the peace of the Holy Spirit. Our brains are incredible, but they are loud. We have over 6,000 thoughts a day. Most of them are focused on one thing: self. Self-protection, self-promotion, or self-preservation. The Spirit of God, however, is often described as a still, small voice. It doesn't scream for attention, it carries a weight of authority. But how do we weigh it? Let's look at the first filter. Filter number 1. The mirror of truth, alignment. The first filter is alignment. God will never contradict His written word. If you feel led to do something that requires you to lie, to be prideful, or to step outside of His commandments, that isn't a nudge. That's a temptation. Filter number 2. The tone test, conviction versus condemnation. The second filter is the tone. Your own thoughts, or the enemy's whispers, often sound like condemnation. They say, "You're a failure, you have to do this or you're a bad Christian." It's frantic. It's heavy. God's voice brings conviction. It might be a hard truth, but it comes with a sense of, "This is the way, walk in it." It brings peace even when it's challenging. Filter number 3. The fruit test, the why. The third filter is fruit. Ask yourself, if I follow this thought, what is the harvest? Does it produce the fruit of the Spirit, love, joy, peace, and self-control? Or does it produce anxiety, strife, and a need for human praise? The actionable lab. Here is a practical step. If you aren't sure, wait. God is not the author of confusion. If it's truly Him, the nudge won't disappear after a night of sleep. In fact, it will likely get clearer as you pray. Don't be afraid of making a mistake. God's sovereignty is bigger than your hearing ability. He is the good shepherd, and He knows how to find His sheep. If you're seeking His will today, just type, "Lead me," in the comments. Let's make this a space where we support one another in the journey of faith. Until next time, keep seeking the truth.
Subscribe, like, and share. Comment below. Share the good news.